Hello student, let's start chapter 3rd, data handling, exercise 3.1 of class 7th. Today's topic, data, tabular form, range, arithmetic mean. Data, we have two types of data. Number one, primary data, which we collect ourselves. Next one is secondary data, which we collect from any type of devices like from computer, from library, from newspaper, from books, etc. Tabular form. In tabular form, we tabulate the data in the table using telemarks and frequency. We can write one as like 2, 3 standing line, 4 4 standing line, 4 5 cross, 1 2 3 4 then cross. We can write 5 as. These are the symbols. Next one is range. What is range? The difference between the highest and the lowest observation. The difference between highest and lowest observation is called range. Next one is arithmetic mean, or we can say it average, What is arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean, the most common representative value of a group of data is arithmetic mean. Formula is, to find its mean, we can denote it as x bar, or mean formula is sum of observation by में total number of observation. Arithmetic mean, or we can say it average, the most common representative value of a group of data is arithmetic mean. To find arithmetic mean, formula is on your screen. Sum of observation by में total number of observation. आपको जितनी भी ऑब्जर्वेशन दी हुई है उन सबको आपने ऐड करना होता है, और बाय में नंबर ऑफ, let I am taking here example. We have to find the mean of first 5 natural number. First 5 natural number are 1 2 3 4 5. Now add it, 1 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Total observations are 5. Add and divide by 5. It makes 3. That is the mean. Here we can take so many example for mean. Like आप एक दिन में कितने घंटे पढ़ते हैं उसका जो है आपने मीन निकालना है. ओके, आप कितना टाइम जो है स्कूल में स्पेंड करते हैं, यू हैव टू फाइंड इट्स मीन इन आवर्स. So many example we can take from your daily life. Now we comes to exercise 3.1 and the question is on your screen. Sum number 1. Find the range of height of any 10 student of your class. This is an activity. Take any 10 students from your class, measure their height, and then we have to find its range. Range means to say highest height of a student minus lowest height of a student. माइनस करेंगे, आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा, रेंज आ जाएगा. सम नंबर 2. Organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular form. This is the data. This is the data. We have to first tabulate it. मैंने आपको बताया टेबुलर फॉर्म क्या होती है. हम टेबल में डाटा को अरेंज करते हैं यूजिंग टैली मार्क्स और फ्रीक्वेंसी. मेक हियर टेबल. राइट marks is given. In between you will write tally marks, then frequency. See, 1 marks 1. How much time? 1 time. We can write 1 as like. After it 2 comes 1 2 2 times, write it as 2. आपने जो लिख लिया है उसको आप कट कर सकते हैं ताकि आपको डाटा पे कोई इफेक्ट ना आए, आपको वो जल्दी चीज़ें फाइंड हो जाए. 3. हाउ मच टाइम? 1 only 1 time. 3 comes 1 time. Next is 4. 1 2 3. 1 2 3 3. 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Then 6. 6 comes 1 2 3 4 times. 1 2 3 4. Then 7. 7 comes 1 2 2 times. 8. 8 comes 1 time. And the last one is 9. 9 also come 1 time. That is your tabular form. Total frequency when you add, you got here 20. Now we will give this answer. Which number is the highest? First part, 9 is the highest number. Next one, which number is the lowest? 1. 1 is the lowest number. What is the range of data? Range means to say highest observation minus lowest observation, which is 9 minus 1 becomes 8. Then we have to find in fourth part arithmetic mean. Formula is sum of observation by me, total observation, sum of observation by me, total observation we will find right now. Observation, add like this. By me, total is 20. When you add all these 20 observation, you got here 100. 100 by 20 makes 5. That is the arithmetic mean of the given data. Now the next is question number 3. Find the mean of first 5 whole numbers. First 5 whole numbers. Whole numbers start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Mean we have to find. Right formula. Sum of observation by me, total number of observation. Sum of observation 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. By me, total whole numbers are 5. Add 4 plus 3 7 plus 2 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 0 makes 10. 10 by 2 makes 10 by 5 makes 2. That is your answer. Sum number 4. A cricketer scores the following runs in 8 innings. Find the mean score. Scored by cricketer in 8 innings. Run scored by cricketer in 8 innings. Write down. What we have to find? Mean score. Mean score का मतलब first we add all these and divided by 8. Total score you can write here. By me, number of innings, that is 8. Total score add show करेंगे आप. After adding, you got here 400 innings are 8, cut 50 runs. At last you will write your answer 50 runs on an average. Last is sum number 5 of this video. Following table shows the points of each player scored in 4 games. Game 1, 2, 3, 4. Player A performance, player B performance, player C performance. Player C did not play in game number 3. We have to find the mean to determine A's average number of points scored per game. A's average. Average means to say mean. That is sum of observation by me, total number of observation. Sum of observation means to say 14 प्लस 16 प्लस 10 प्लस 10 बाय 4 ऐड किया 50 by 4 makes 12.5. 14 plus 26 30 40 50. Second part. In the part second, what we have to find? We have to find the mean number of points per game for C. Would you decide the total point by 3 or 4? C. जब आपने इसका मीन निकालना है तो आप इसको कितने से डिवाइड करेंगे? 3 से. 4 से क्यों नहीं किया? बिकॉज गेम थर्ड ही डिड नॉट प्ले, वो खेला ही नहीं. थर्ड पार्ट. बी प्लेड इन ऑल द 4 गेम्स. हाउ वुड यू फाइंड द मीन? मीन्स टू से बी की एवरेज आपने निकालना है. फॉर्मूला सेम. एट 0 प्लस 8 प्लस 6 प्लस 4 बाय 4 ऐड करेंगे आप इसको. 18 by 4 makes 9 by 2. In the fourth part, we have to find who is the best performer. जिसकी एवरेज ज़्यादा है. किसकी ज़्यादा है? ए की. दैट मीन्स ए इज द बेस्ट performer. Okay guys, thank you, have a nice day.